Hey everyone, today we are going to make a Crochet Christmas hat. This pattern is very easy for beginner. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Pick up the red yarn and crochet hook. Insert the hook into the circle and pull out the yarn. Make a slip stitch before you start row 1. In row 1, make 6 single crochet in a magic ring. To make single crochet, insert the hook and pull out the yarn. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops to complete a single crochet. Continue doing single crochet, repeat 6 times. If you are new on my channel, go and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Row 1 is completed. Make a slip stitch in the beginning of the stitch. Remember to make a chain before you start making a new row. In row 2, make a 1 single crochet and 1 increase stitch. Repeat 3 times. Firstly, make a single crochet as usual. To make a single crochet increase, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2. Continue doing row 2 by repeating it 3 times. Row 2 is completed, and in row 3 make X, V, X. Repeat 3 times, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the same stitch and 1 single crochet. Row 3 is completed. Now you just make 4 more rows. Take out the white color yarn and make 2 rows. Make sure the beginning yarn is fixed inside the stitches and the process is same. And cut off the remaining yarn and tie a knot to fix it. After that, make a small hair ball and tie it to the top of the hat.